The iQOO 15 has officially arrived, and it's already making waves in the smartphone world as one of the most powerful performance devices of 2025. iQOO has built its reputation on delivering flagship-level hardware at competitive prices, and with the 15, the company is raising the bar even higher. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or simply someone who wants a phone that can handle anything, the iQOO 15 promises to deliver speed, style, and efficiency all in one stunning package. In this video, we'll explore the full specifications, design, display, processor, gaming performance, camera features, battery life, charging speeds, extra features, and expected pricing of the iQOO 15. Let's begin with the display, which is one of the standout highlights of this device. The iQOO 15 features a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a 2K resolution and an adaptive 1 to 144 Hz refresh rate. This ensures buttery-smooth scrolling, fluid gaming visuals, and power-efficient performance. The panel also supports HDR10+ and Dolby Vision, giving you rich colors and stunning contrast when streaming your favorite shows or editing high-quality photos. With peak brightness levels rumored to reach 4,500 nits, outdoor visibility won't be a problem, even under direct sunlight. To protect the screen, iQOO has added Gorilla Glass Victus 3, ensuring durability and scratch resistance. Moving on to the design, the iQOO 15 perfectly blends sleek aesthetics with a premium build. It sports a refined glass back with a matte finish, paired with a sturdy aluminum frame for a solid in-hand feel. The rear camera housing has been redesigned to look modern yet minimal, while the slim profile of just 8.3 mm makes it easy to hold despite packing a massive battery. Color options are expected to include black shadow, glacier blue, and titanium silver, catering to both professional and trendy users. On top of that, the phone carries an IP68 rating, so it's resistant to dust and water splashes, making it durable for everyday use. Under the hood, the iQOO 15 is powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. This chipset is built on advanced 3nm architecture, delivering AI-optimized efficiency, superior gaming graphics, and next-level multitasking power. For gamers, this means lag-free performance even in the most demanding titles like PUBG Mobile, Genshin Impact, or Call of Duty Mobile. To keep temperatures under control, iQOO has included a next-gen vapor chamber cooling system with improved heat dissipation. This ensures stable frame rates and smooth gameplay, even during marathon gaming sessions. With iQOO's reputation as a gaming powerhouse, the 15 is no exception. It's built for pro-level gaming performance. For gamers specifically, the iQOO 15 offers dedicated gaming features like motion controls, haptic feedback, and AI-driven frame rate optimization. The 144 Hz refresh rate display paired with the Adreno 830 GPU makes every frame crisp, smooth, and responsive. On top of that, iQOO has optimized the software with Ultra Game Mode, which minimizes background processes to give you the best possible gaming experience. Now, let's talk about cameras. The iQOO 15 brings a triple camera setup on the rear. The primary lens is a 200MP OIS sensor, designed to capture incredible detail in all lighting conditions. Supporting this is a 50MP ultra-wide lens for landscapes and group shots, and a 64MP periscope telephoto lens offering up to 5x optical zoom, and 100x digital zoom. This setup ensures versatility, whether you're capturing cityscapes, portraits, or distant subjects. On the front, the device features a 32MP AI-powered selfie camera, capable of 4K video recording and enhanced portrait shots. With night mode, cinematic video stabilization, and 8K recording on the rear cameras, the iQOO 15 easily competes with the best flagships in photography and videography. Powering the iQOO 15 is a 7,000 mAh dual-cell battery, making it one of the largest in the flagship category. Despite this huge capacity, the phone remains slim and lightweight thanks to iQOO's clever design engineering. Battery endurance is excellent, lasting more than a full day of heavy use including gaming, streaming, and photography. Charging is another highlight. The device supports 200W wired fast charging, capable of fully charging the phone in under 15 minutes. There's also support for 50W wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, so you can top up accessories like earbuds or smartwatches directly from your phone. Apart from the basics, the iQOO 15 also comes packed with extra flagship-grade features. These include an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, Wi-Fi 7 support, Bluetooth 5.4, and 5G connectivity with global band support. The phone runs on Android 15 with iQOO's custom UI, which is clean, optimized, and filled with gaming-centric tools. The iQOO 15 is expected to launch globally in October 2025, alongside the iQOO 15 Pro and iQOO 15 Ultra. Pricing is rumored to start at around $799 for the base 12GB plus 256GB variant, with high-end versions going up to $999 for the 16GB plus 1TB model. Given its features and performance, the iQOO 15 will compete directly with the Xiaomi 15T, OnePlus 15, and Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. So that's everything you need to know about the upcoming iQOO 15, a device that combines cutting-edge hardware, flagship cameras, a stunning display, and lightning-fast charging into one powerhouse package. What are your thoughts on the iQOO 15? Do you think it will be the best flagship killer of 2025, or will rivals like Xiaomi, Realme, and Samsung take the crown? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this detailed breakdown, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest smartphone reviews, comparisons, and unboxings.